Norma, is Nellum being ordered or no? Like, he's in Williamson County.
No.
All right, so we're gonna recall this. And you say in Williamson County, what's happening?
He was found incompetent there, so I don't know.
So is he still, currently he's incompetent?
I believe.
Quick legal pit stop. When someone's ruled incompetent to stand trial, it means they are not mentally fit to understand the charges or help with their defense. It's not a get-out-of-jail-free card, but it does hit pause on the case. Ever wonder how long someone can be deemed incompetent before the system just gives up?
So I don't know if ordering him is going to do anything really. We just have to, I guess, write it out to see if he's ever restored.
Okay. All right. See, I don't know how Williamson County does their incompetency. So let's do this. We'll recall this in November,
Okay.
but in November, we'll set it as a contested and we'll see where we are. All right. I need a contested hearing date in November, late November, please. So November 20th.
Oh, are we going to bring him over to have him evaluated here, or are we going to rely on the one there?
It depends on his attorney.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yes.
I think we'll see what Williamson County does, Judge, on that. If he's been found incompetent, he's going to be sent.
That right there's a linchpin of this whole case: competency. Everything hinges on it. You could have all the charges lined up, but if the defendant's not mentally fit, the courtroom's basically in a holding pattern. Have you ever seen a legal system more cautiously confused?
Either to a state facility or
Mm-hmm.
so no sense in doing double work.
Okay. Yeah. All right, Vashon,
Yes, sir.
on page 8, Noah Nellum,
Yes, sir.
that's going to come back as a contested on November 20th. And it really depends on if he's competent or not. Counsel, Attorney O'Geen,
Good morning, Judge.
morning. So I believe on this case, there was supposed to be an update on the mental health court. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
And do you know what the status is?
The status, to my understanding, is that Mr. Rodriguez has not yet been screened.
So he hasn't been screened yet. Just one second. All right, let me look this up and see what's going on.
Yes, Judge, thank you.
All right, Attorney O'Geen.
Yes, Judge.
All right, so this is what we're going to do. Norma, recall this for the last week in October. Are we able to do it October 27th? All right, and then Attorney O'Geen, you'll need to reach out with the mental health court and see when they're planning on interviewing him. And Norma, can you make sure the referral was sent?
Yeah.
All right. So we'll know something by October 27th. Mr. Rodriguez, if you are called by mental health court, be sure to make all of the appointments that they give to you, all right?
Thank you, Judge. I'll make sure to follow up with mental health court as well. And may we be excused?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're
Oh,
welcome.
I'm sorry. The next time that we're here, will it be via Zoom or will it be in person?
He can appear by Zoom unless, for some reason, the mental health court wants him in person. Because
Okay.
sometimes they'll interview that same day. And if you're in the building, someone from mental health court will be here this afternoon at 1:30. So if you want to drop by and talk to them about Mr. Rodriguez, you can.
Okay, Judge. I'm in Guadalupe County. My jury's out deliberating, but I will make sure I send them an email.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, bye-bye. All right, who's the attorney on Alexandria Alvarez?
Council is present.
Hi.
Hey, so I'm waiting on Lauren. She is in Guadalupe County still, and it was my understanding that she has an in-person court date at 9 for her pending charges. And she may be available anytime after 10, but I'm not sure exactly when that.
And boom, unlawful possession of a firearm. But here's the twist. This guy's also dealing with parole. That means he's already done time and is under strict supervision. Now he's back in court with a new charge. Question: is the system giving second chances or setting traps?
Will be.
All right, so what's happening with this?
Do you have the copy of the Guadalupe County that you can use her run?
Mhm.
So she has to go over there, then they'll put her on to that.
Okay, all right, we'll wait for that.
All right.
Let me know what.
Okay, all right, thank you. All right, Julian Montes. Mr. Montes, come down, please. So he has two cases.
Yes, Judge, I just got appointed to his second case this morning. I'd like to get a reset.
All right, and is that the unlawful possession?
Yes, ma'am. That's the possession of firearm.
All right. And sir, how old are you?
36.
All right, it has parole on here. Do you have a parole hold?
I'm supposed to be done with it, but yes, I do have a parole.
All right, do you have a date for that yet?
But no.
All right. All right, this seems like these are simple cases. Ms. Ferguson, set this in November for a plea deadline date, please. All right, November 20th is going to be your plea deadline date. On that date, you need to let the court know whether or not you've reached an agreement with the state. If you have not, your next court date is going to be a trial setting. All right, do you have any questions about anything? All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Counsel. All right, Joshua Sutherland. How are you late for court?
Yeah, you're right.
I was at work. I was just getting,
What happened to your face?
I'm a bouncer.
Oh, okay. So here's the thing, court starts at 9 a.m. If you're late, what ends up happening, you could potentially have your bond revoked and we'll bring you over from the jail to appear. Do you understand? All right, where are we on discovery?
Judge, so this is our first setting. I advised the DA there was some discovery that I was still missing, so he's going to request that. He also relayed an offer, but if we can get a discovery deadline or a discovery setting, that would be great, Judge.
All right, what discovery is he missing?
It would be videos in regards to the accident that is related to this incident.
Okay. An accident?
I know there's an accident involved with it.
Okay.
I need to get with the victim on her to see if she still has them, and if she does, I will afford them and close them to defense.
Okay. And how long is that going to take?
Maybe at least 30 days would be great.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, set this in 30 days for discovery and plea deadline date.
Yeah.
All right, November 13th, once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. Thank you. All right, Alfredo Rodriguez. Who's the attorney for Alfredo Rodriguez? All right, we're going to go on the record. Court is calling 2023 CR 0474 State versus Alfredo Rodriguez Jr. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Rafael Leal from Mr. Rodriguez Jr.
And are you Alfredo Rodriguez Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
No.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Alfredo Rodriguez Jr. who's placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 0474 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 to 4 grams on March 3rd, 2025 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas.
The judge just cut through the noise. This is a real courtroom moment, when everyone stops dancing around the issue and asks, what has this person actually done to turn their life around? Spoiler alert, not much. And the consequences, about to be severe.
Defendant Alfredo Rodriguez Jr. did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of May 2025. Violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
We waive and abandon the remainders, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waiver?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true
Yes, ma'am.
to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is for the court to grant the state's motion, enter an adjudication of guilt against the defendant, revoke his community supervision, and sentence him to 2 years in the prison.
All right, so what has he done on probation?
Judge, he had a problem with drugs. He took some drugs, and I don't think he had the appropriate or did not follow up on the recommended treatment. And plus, added to the fact that he did not have transportation or means to get transportation, and I don't believe he even had a telephone to communicate or establish communication with the probation officer.
All right, is there anything you want to say?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so probation, has he done anything?
It's half evaluation.
So that means you have not done anything. Like, where has he been? Because I set conditions for him to help him succeed. If he had a drug problem, there are conditions in here for his drug issues to address those issues. He obviously had children or still has children. And I say had children because I don't know if they're adults at this time, but I asked him to complete parenting classes. Did he do that? So it appears the only thing he did was answer some questions and then he disappeared.
This is the moment where judges drop the robe and speak person to person. No legal jargon, just life advice, hard-earned and rarely sugar-coated. Think this speech will land with the defendant, or is it another warning that gets lost in the system?
Unfortunately.
All right. All right, State, you may be excused. Is there anything you wish to say? All right, the court is going to find you guilty. The court will revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. The court will recommend the therapeutic community, and there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, you're gonna have to make some changes in your life, right? In this court, communication is always key. If you have a drug problem, you just come in and let us know and we'll do what we can to help you. But if you don't reach out, there's nothing we can do.
Fine.
And the reason why you're receiving the 4 years, I consider everything. You haven't done anything on probation. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, when you're released from custody, if you cannot find a sober living house or you can't find somebody to address any drug issues you may have, if I'm still here, you come back here, I'll get some help for you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. John Castro Lopez. All right, today is final plea deadline date. So have you all reached an agreement?
No, Your Honor.
All right, how long do you expect this trial to last?
Judge, if I had to guess, probably about 3 days or so after jury selection.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if you can set this for a jury trial before the new year, please. And if y'all have not tendered an acknowledgement, a new acknowledgement discovery, I see one was tendered on July 28th. So if there's anything new, if you'll make sure you do the update.
Today, Judge?
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
If you're able to, I know you're.
It's a little weird right now, but I can do it, yeah.
All right. 3 days.
I'm actually going to be out of, and then we have the 11th off. I'm actually out of town on the 10th. So I'll be back. Yes, yeah, that should work for me.
All right,
November the 17th.
your jury trial is November 17th. Your plea deadline date has expired. Court will not consider any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you'll have the plea open to the court. Do you understand? All right,
Judge, if I may, November 17th, I have a special setting already for several months in aggravated sexual assault of a child in Page County.
Okay.
Especially since it's been going on for a couple of years.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, recall this back for October 27th. And we'll do jury selection on the 27th.
Over 26?
Yes.
Judge, I'm gonna be in trial on October 27th,
Where?
Comal County.
All right, let's see if that happens. All right, so y'all will be back here on October 27th for jury trial. All right, thank you.
Judge, I anticipate I'm supposed to be in trial on the 290th, but at the same time, we'll see what happens. So.
All right, okay, thank you.
Yeah.